Hi everyone, this is Nisha from Akshata Public School and I am studying in 5th C class. Today I am going to explain about divisibility rules. Divisibility by rule of 2. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is divisible by 2. And for example, 872, 500, 1018 and 694. Next we have divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, it is divisibility of 3. For example, 381, 819, 66, 1008. Next we have here divisibility rule of 10. If the number ends with the 0, then it is divisible by 10. For example, 30, 500, 18,000, 16,700. Next we have here divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of the number is divisible by 9, it is divisible by 9. For example, 3,888, 171, 9,990 and 3,411. Next we have divisibility rule of 6. If the number is divisible by 2 or 3, then it is divisible by 6. For example, 102, 396, 5,232 and 21,348. Next we have divisibility rule of 5. If the number ends with 0 or 5, it's divisible by 5. For example, 25, 500, 2005, 685. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bindu. I am studying in 5th C class. Today I am going to explain about factors and multiples. Factor, exact divisor of that number. Factor. Example, factor of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Highest common factor or HCF. For example, factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factor of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Common factors are 1, 2, 4. HCF, highest common factor is 4. Multiples, numbers obtained by multiplying that number by whole numbers. Example, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 20, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Lowest common multiple, LCM. For example, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. Common multiples are 12, 24. LCM is 12. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Numbers having two factors, 1 and number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. Twin prime, two consecutive odd prime. For example, 3, 5, 5, 7. Co-prime, two numbers having only one as common factor, 24, 23, 3 and 5. Prime triplet, set of three consecutive prime numbers differ by 2. For example, 3, 5, 7. Composite numbers, numbers having more than two factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on. Divisibility tests by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Divisibility rule of 2. If unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. Divisibility rule of 3. If sum of digits is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4. Then the number formed by last two digits is 00 or divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5. If the unit digit is 0 or 5. Divisibility rule of 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Divisibility rule of 8. If the number formed by last three digits is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of digits is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. If the unit digit is 0. Divisibility rule of 11. Difference of sum of its digits in odd and even places is 0 or a multiple of 11. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Varidhi. I am from 5th 3 class. Today's topic is divisibility rules. Now let's see the mind map. So divisibility rules. Divisibility rule of 2. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4 or 6 and 8, then it is divisible by 2. So let's see one example. So 24. Is the 24 divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2 because 12 twos is equal to 24. So next example is the divisibility rule of 3. If the number sum is divisible by 3, then it's divisible by 3. For example, 315. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 3 3s is 9. Next is divisibility rule of 5. So if the number ends with 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So let's see the example. It's the 105. So 21 into 5 is equal to 105. So 105 is divisible by 5. Next is divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of the number is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9. So I have to give an example as 2169. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 9 twos is 18. So it is also divisible by 9. So next is the divisibility rule of 10. If the number ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. For example, 2020. So 202 is equal to 10. 202 into 10 is equal to 2020. So this is also divisible by 10. Thank you and all. Bye. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone. My name is Saanvi and I am from grade 5th and the section D. Today I am doing a presentation on the subject maths and on the topic factors and multiples. First, I will start my topic with the learning objectives. Prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime number, divisibility and prime factorization. First, in factors and multiples, there are two types of number, prime numbers and a composite number. Prime numbers means nothing but a number which have only two factors are called as prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Next, the composite number. A number which have more than two factors are called as composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Next, the prime factorization. In prime factorization, there are two methods, factor tree method and division method. First, I will explain you the factor tree method. So, in factor tree method, I take a number as 81. So, 9 9s are 81. So, the 9 is a composite number. So, we should do this problem. If the number was a prime number, we should leave it. So, these both 9 are composite numbers. So, we should do this problem. 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. So, these 3s are prime numbers. We should leave this problem. So, this is the final answer. Next, in the division method. In division method, I take a number as 84. So, 42 2s are 84. 21 2s are 42. 3 7s are 21. And 3 1s are 3. Next, co-prime number. Co-prime number means nothing but a number which have only one as their common factors is called as co-prime number. Let us understand more with the example. So, I take an example as 20 under 24. I take examples of 20 under 24. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 under 20 and the 24. 24 ones are 24, 2 12s are 24, 4 6 are 24 and the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So in these common factors of 20 and 24 are 1, 2, 4. So there is no 1 as a common factor. So it is not an co-prime numbers. Now let's understand the divisibility rules. First, 2. When the number ends with the 24680, then it is considered as divisibility of 2. Next, the divisibility of 10. Then when the number ends with 0, then it is known as divisibility of 10. Divisibility by 5. When the number ends with 0 and 5, then it is considered as divisibility of 5. Next, divisibility of 3. So, I will explain the divisibility rule of 3 by the examples. I take the example is 60,288. So, how to do the divisibility of 3? The sum of the number should be the divisible of 3. Then only it is called as divisibility of 3. So, let's add this. 6 plus 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So, the whole number means the 60,288 will be the divisible of 3. Divisible of 6. And let's understand this with a example. So, when the number will be divisible by 2 and 3 the both, then it is divisible by 6 too. For example, 60,288. This number ends with a 8. So, the 8 is divisible by 2. So, it is divisible by 2. Next, 6 plus 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So, the whole number means the 60,288 is divisible by 6 too. Next, divisible of 9. It is same like 3. So, I take a number as 9,80,964. Now, let's add this. 9 plus 8 plus 0 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So, the whole number means the 9,80,964 is divisible by 9. And thank you everyone. Have a colorful day.
Hello everybody. My name is Sonal. I am studying at 5th standard at Sharda Public School. Today I am going to present prime and composite numbers of lesson factors and multiples. So let's begin with definition of factors. A number that is multiplied by another number to give a product is called as factor. Example, 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. Here, 10 and 2 are the factors. Here are some more examples. Factors of 16 and factors of 32. Factors of 16. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Factors of 32 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now let's learn about prime numbers. What is prime number? A number which have only two factors are called as prime numbers. Example 2. 2 has only two factors. They are 2 and 1. Similarly, 3 also have only two factors. That is 3 and 1. Here are some 20 prime numbers. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67 and 71. Now let's learn about composite numbers. What is a composite number? The number which has more than two factors are called as composite number. Example 4. 4 has three factors. They are 1, 2 and 4. 6. 6 has four factors. They are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Here are 20 composite numbers. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. So till here we have learned prime, composite numbers and factors. So now let's practice it. Here is the number 12 and its factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The number of factors for 12 are 6. 20. Factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Number of factors 6. 11. 1 and 11. Number of factors 2. So the number 11 is prime number. And 12 and 20 are composite. 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. Number of factors are 4. 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Number of factors 5. 19. 1, 19. Number of factors 2. Now let's learn about prime factorization. There are two methods to find prime factorization. They are factor tree method and division method. So let's learn about factor tree method. Find prime factorization of 44. Step 1. 44 is split into any two factors, say 2 and 22. Step 2. 2 is a prime Circle it. 22 is again split into two factors. 2 and 11 both are prime numbers, so both are circled. Here's the picture. 22 2s are 44 or 2 22s are 44. 2 11s are 22. Here in this picture, we have circled 2, 2 and 11 because these are prime numbers. So here 2 into 2 into 11 is equal to 44. Example 2 is 24. 12 2s are 24. We have to circle 2 because it is prime number. Again we have to split the 12 into two factors. They are 3 4s are 12. Again we have to circle 3 because it is prime number. Now again we have to split 4 into two factors. They are 2 into 2. It is 4. We have to circle 2 and 2 because they both are prime numbers. Here is another way. 6 4s are 24. Here we have to not circle any number because the 6 and 4 both are composite numbers. So for the both numbers we have to split any two factors. So first let's take 6. 3 2s are 6. We have to circle 3 and 2 both because they both are prime numbers. 4. 2 2s are 4. Again we have to circle 2 and 2 because they both are prime numbers. Example 3, 36. 2 18s are 36. We have to circle 2 because it is prime number. 2 9s are 18. Again we have to circle 2 because prime number. 3 3s are 9. We have to circle both 3 because they are prime number. Now let's learn about second method of prime factorization, that is division method. Step 1. Divide 18 and 60 by first prime number 2. Step 2. Continue dividing by 2 until the quotient is not divisible by 2. Example 2. 18. 2 9s are 18. 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Next, 60. 2 30s are 60. 30. 2 15s are 30. 15. 3 5s are 15. 5. 5 1s are 5. Thank you everyone.